Hello guys, how are you? What's going on? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the third video in the series of React Material Design Bootstrap version 5. And in this video we are going to build a image slider, or you can say that image carousel. So this image slider we are going to build in this video, and you can see that we can either go forward with this arrow and you can go backward with this arrow. So you can move around with this arrow, and you can also move with this controls. So you can also move around with this controls as well. If you click on this one, you will navigate toward that respective slide. So you can also navigate with this way. So this image slider we are going to build. So before jumping into the Visual Studio Code, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel as well, and share the channel with your colleague as well if you find the content on this channel is useful. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code and start writing this code. If you look at my Visual Studio Code, I have already made a couple of video in this series, like how you can perform a form validation, how you can implement a accordion. So I have already created a video on this, and you can go and watch. I will provide the playlist link in the description. Okay, so you can watch this video as well if you wanted to watch. And we are using the material design bootstrap hive. So if you look at my package.json, I'm using this npm package to implement all this component. And in the index.js, I have also used this css file, and in public public index.html, I have just pasted this font awesome styling set. So you don't have to worry about all this thing. I will provide the GitHub link as well in the description. So if you wanted to know how we set up this material design bootstrap hive, so you can watch the first video in this series. Okay, so this is the third video in this series, and we are going to build the image slider or image carousel. So let's create a file here. So I will create a file with the name image slider. Okay, and here I am going to generate a React snippet. So RAFCE and some components need from the material design bootstrap. So that will be like mdb carousel element. Okay, so this need element mdb carousel. We need here mdb carousel item caption, sorry, mdb carousel caption, mdb carousel item, and mdb carousel inner. So this all things we need to implement that image slider. And we are also going to require this data.js file, in which I have 3 images with a title and some description. Okay, and you don't have to worry about this all thing. I have already provided this all thing in the GitHub repository, so you can download this file from my repository. So link is already available in the description. So let's work on this one. So instead of div, I can have here mdb carousel. Okay, mdb carousel, and not inner, sorry, this one. Okay, and here we need mdb carousel inner, and inside that, sorry, and here we need show controls and show indicators, and inside this inner we are going to bring this data file. So let's format it here. So I'm going to bring the data file, and this data file actually required. So data dot map, I'm going to map, and here I need mdb carousel item, and inside that I need to provide one prop, so item id, and that will be the index we can give here. So we can use the index, array index, and now we can have mdb carousel element. Okay, this will be the closing tag only. So inside that source will be there, so we need to provide the source here. So src item dot image, and if there is no image we can provide the alt. So item dot title. Okay, and we can have here one more tag, so that is the mdb carousel caption. So this tag is needed, and inside that we can have h5 tag item dot titles, and for description we can use p tag. So this can be like item dot description. Okay, now we need to bring this component in our app.js file. Okay, and you can already see that we have already bring that accordion and form validation. So now this time I'm going to bring that image slider component, and I'm going to use here, and we can make a comment, this one no need as of now. So let's go into the browser, and you can see that the height of image is not looking good. Okay, so what we can do here, we can go to Visual Studio Code, and we can adjust the height. So we can give the style here, inline style, and we can give the height here. So we need to give our own height. So height you can give 700 pixel. Okay, now let's go into the browser. So now we have adjusted the height of image, and now you can move forward by this arrow, and you can also go backward, and you can also move around with the help of these controls. Okay, so you can click on this and you can move around. That's it guys. From this video we have built the image slider, or you can say that image carousel in this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you found out that the content is useful, then please subscribe this channel as well. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.